up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my weekly maintenance routine or weekly glow up routine. I've made a similar video like this in the past, which was my monthly maintenance routine, and you guys seem to really like that video. So I thought I'll show you guys my weekly one as well. And monthly के जैसा ये इतना बड़ा नहीं होगा and इतने extensive steps नहीं होंगे. This will be a little shorter routine, but it's equally as important to me as the monthly one is. I'm gonna show how I take care of my hair, my face, my whole body, and some skincare that I've been really liking. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Hey, go, go, hey, go.
Hello you guys. So I recently went on a long road trip and my skin and hair has suffered a lot. My hair is so dry and gunky right now and I have these small bumps all over my face, especially the areas that was not covered by the mask like my forehead and cheek area. There is so much of dust and dirt accumulated, so a proper pamper session to banta hai. First, let's start with my hair. My hair is really dry at the ends but oily at the scalp, so I'm gonna nourish my ends with some oil so it's not super dry. Make sure you take the amount that you need and warm it up a little and apply it all over my hair, concentrating mostly near the ends. Take some more oil if you need to. I like to do this majorly once a week before I wash my hair. You can use any hair oil that you like. After oiling, I like to give myself a nice scalp massage. This increases blood circulation and promotes hair growth as well. So a great tip to add in your routine. Next, I'm going to detangle my hair. Always start from the bottom and work your way towards the top. And because I've oiled my hair, that provides a little slip as well. After that, I put my hair in a bun and then I'm going to use a heat cap to intensify the effects of oil and get a spa-like result. You can also use a hot towel to get the same result. I'm gonna let this sit and now let's move on to the face. I zoomed in a little so you can clearly see what I'm doing. To get rid of my facial hair, I'm using Let's Shave Face Razor. Always keep a tissue or cotton pad nearby to clean the razor. Shaving will not only get rid of your peach fuzz but also exfoliate and remove the dead skin. I don't do this every week, but every alternate week depending on the growth I shave off the peach fuzz. Obviously this is optional. If you don't feel comfortable shaving or removing facial hair, then you don't have to. I prefer to remove it as it definitely brightens my skin and I see a visible difference. I like to do my forehead, eyebrow, upper lip and side peach fuzz with this. Do you see the amount of dirt and peach fuzz that was on my face? Ew. Next, I just sprayed my face with some water and wiped it clean. 15 to 20 minutes are up. I'm going to remove the heat cap now and wash my hair later. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hello, I'm back. Let's continue with the pamper session. I washed my hair, it's fresh and clean. We'll tie it back so I can concentrate on my face. Let's tackle the blackhead and whitehead situation on my nose. For that, I'm gonna use Jeju Volcanic Lava Fresh Nose Strips from the Face Shop. Make sure you apply it on clean face and wet your nose thoroughly before applying it. Remove the clear plastic and pop it on. And make sure you let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Press it nicely so it's adhered to your skin. Okay, 15 minutes are up. I'm gonna peel it off now. Look at that. Do you see all that gross stuff coming out? Okay, this might seem gross, but this is the close-up shot of what actually came out. Do you see all the blackhead, whitehead, and all that sebum? Ew. Moving on to the body, I'm gonna exfoliate my skin and then shave. Exfoliating your skin before shaving, make sure that you do not have any ingrown hair or strawberry legs. Don't forget to moisturize your skin really well after shaving. Nose is done, body is done, so let's move on to nail therapy. I got this beautiful lavender shade which I haven't tried it, so let's pop it on. Ah, this shade is so pretty. I'm in love with it. The nails are done. Now let's finish off the pamper session with some skincare. First, I'm gonna use a Micro Essence by L'Oreal Paris. You guys already know I really like this in my routine. Just a few drops and pat it gently onto your skin. I have been using this product for quite a while now and currently I'm on my third or fourth bottle of this product. I love how my skin feels after using this. So I was really excited when L'Oreal launched a new product in this crystal range, which is their L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream. I've been trying out this product for a while now and I really like it. Now this gel cream is powered with pure salicylic acid, which is a great active ingredient that gently exfoliates the top layer of the skin and purifies pores and removes dead skin cells, which we all love. Also, I haven't heard of many salicylic acid creams out there in our market. Not only that, look at the texture of the gel. It feels like cloud. It's so lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Just a few dots all over your face and massage it nicely into the skin. It penetrates up to 10 layers deep, controls oil for up to 8 hours, deeply refines, purifies and minimizes pores for that crystal clear skin. Also, it's clinically and dermatologically tested and is free from parabens, colorants, synthetic dyes and is non-comedogenic. It absorbs really well in seconds and does not feel sticky at all. This cream is great for people with combination to oily skin as it does control oil for up to 8 hours. My skin is looking so radiant and clear, I love it. This gel cream is available in two sizes, 15 ml for 299 rupees and 50 ml for 699 rupees. Definitely grab it, I'll leave all the links in the description down below. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I'll put all the links in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, share this with your friends if you liked it, do all that good stuff. And the comment shout out goes to Nani D. Nani, thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list,